We never distinguish among them as a judgment for good or bad. We just store them inside our minds. Memories do play a crucial role in shaping our lives. Sometimes we use them to rejuvenate ourselves by thinking about what wonderful moments we've been through, and sometimes we learn from them so that we cannot repeat the same mistakes again and again. Childhood memories, or to be more specific, memories from the school days are the most cheerful and happiest experiences a person could ever have. So here's a story about a two-son Indian. Years and miles have taken him away. To find his fortune one fine day, but in his heart, he still remembers the sunbeam of his childhood days. Watch him while he recites the story to his grandson. Enjoy the movie.
Hey Grandpa, how does this dress look? I'm going to wear it tomorrow for my farewell. You look like fresh breeze of spring, my son. Thanks, Grandpa. Hey, do you have some time to kill? Yes, but why? Come along, let me tell you a great story. When I had started my school, the day seemed far away, and now that it's here, I can't believe it's our time to go away. Today is the day to reflect on our memories and experiences while simultaneously planning ahead for ourselves. This is the time to celebrate our achievements, spanning across a very long journey, and also to find inspiration for life beyond this day. I would like to call Saurabh to deliver the thought of the day. Kudos for being on point. You guys are doing a good job. Hello, good morning again. I am Kabal Tripathi and I am Arup Ghoshal. Well, in today's world, gratitude is underrated. But it is not all gratitude. It's a mixture of amazement, respect, and inspiration. And yet, we celebrate the underrating of saying thank you by actually saying thank you. So, who to thank first, audience? Well, that's a trick question we need to answer it, but I think you know the answer. And now, we would like to request our principal, Gurish ma'am, vice principal, Shefali ma'am, senior headmistress, Prerna ma'am, junior headmistress, Salta ma'am, to please come up on the stage and receive a beautiful star prepared by our class in your honor. Well, Gurmeet ma'am, underneath the hard exterior of the principal, is the mother, constantly guiding us, mentoring us through every day of our life. Shefali ma'am, she is humble, practical, and a good listener to our problems. Well, Prerna ma'am, words can't express the contribution. From hostel to school, you are the building which we cannot thank you enough. Salta ma'am, your tender hand shaped us in our formative years and taught us ABCs of knowledge. Thank you for accepting the little piece of our life. Don't worry, it's a very big one. Now, we are going to have the most important components of our school life, our coordinators. So I would like to invite Saroj ma'am, Meena ma'am, Anita ma'am, and Neela Osha ma'am to please come up on the stage and accept the second piece of our heart. Don't worry, we are not running over. Those times you are absolutely adorable, but don't let that fool you, audience. She's like Lord Krishna, who just gets on board and on a finger, and we as amazed villagers went and just believed blindly in her support. She cannot thank you enough for any single part of our life.
Arisa ma'am and Leela ma'am, it takes a great heart to save little minds. Leela ma'am, is that
without language, it is the learning the math. The physics of the dialogue of math and the language. Thank you very much for opening the doors. Thank you for the serving and your willingness and willing approach to teach educated, conscious, leaves us, It's some of it to us. Who is my best?
Yes, sir. Good.
It is life easier and making even the good all the more easier. A tremendous person who has helped your future is going to give it up to the other channel.
Good morning, Intendant, everyone present here. I am Aditi. As a parent today for my seniors present in the farewell assembly, I'm become emotional. I wonder what makes them so emotional about leaving the school, moving to the college, where they don't have to wear a school uniform. Now I realize when I'm addressing the assembly for the last time, I realize the pain they have felt. There's a feeling in my heart of not letting this moment go. No words or deeds in this world are big enough to thank you, my teachers. Everything seems small before what role you have played in my life. Now, while I'm speaking here, I realize that I'm that high fruit of a new tree, ready to fall off and leave the tree, which has nurtured me with complete love and care. What would I have been without my teachers and my friends? A teacher affects everything. No one can tell where his influence stops. A teacher for me is like a spark which ignites the minds of the students to explore. But today, I will not be sad and cry. Let all of us not cry because we are leaving. Let's be happy that we came here, that we spent a long time over here. Let's be happy that we got such a good school. When I had first set foot here, I was too young, was shy, and now whatever I am due to my school and obviously my teachers. To my juniors, I would like to say, value whatever you have got in your life, because when that thing leaves you, or the person leaves you, just value it more, but then that's no use in that case now. To my friends and teachers, I will not say farewell. Even if we are going to leave after given, I will not say farewell. I will not say goodbye, because I know in my heart that we will meet again. We will meet again in some place. Maybe here only, but we will meet again. I know the gates of my school will always be open for me, and I can always come back here and remember my childhood. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for everything, whatever you did for us. Thank you.
Fellow fraternity, it wouldn't be wrong to say that life is actually what happens to you when you're planning other things. There comes a particular stage in everyone's life where we all end up with memories. As you saw here, the old man only has its memories which cherish and share, and it also has its memories to pass on as a legacy to the later generation. So try to do every day something which creates us memories to cherish, stories to tell. Thank you. Now, I would like to quote a few words of Bazaar to conclude our presentation. जिंदगी का लम्हा बहुत छोटा सा है, कल की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है और आने वाला कल सिर्फ सपने में। और बचे हुए इस पल में तमन्नाओं से भरी एक जिंदगी में हम सिर्फ भाग रहे हैं। कुछ रफ्तार धीमी कर मेरे दोस्त और जिंदगी को जियो, खूब जियो मेरे दोस्त। थैंक यू।